Hello, I'm Mr. Chaz Bonda from Depew High School, technology education teacher as well as chairperson for our technology and education department. Here at Depew, we have an interesting combination of traditional technology education, like your traditional industrial arts courses, as well as a new modern mix of engineering education in the Project Lead the Way program. But with modern technologies advancing at such an exponential rate, this capital improvement project is an opportunity for our facilities to be more modern and up to date, to be more state-of-the-art with the upcoming technologies that are constantly advancing.
Hi, I'm Ronald Mentecki. I'm a current senior at Depew High School. As a Project Lead the Way student and a future computer science graduate, I can see that the technology scene is rapidly growing.
Our past capital improvement projects have allowed our facilities in the art, music, science, and other departments to be improved. This focus on technology education will be an opportunity for everyone to work more in the STEAM envelope that our district is attempting to provide for our students and community. Currently, we're in the process of planning for new facilities and infrastructure that will provide our students with more modern and up-to-date manufacturing techniques, such as 3D printing, laser engraving, CNC technologies, and robotics,